Hello, happy Tuesday. So it's me again, Arlen Donaldson, real estate agent here in Dallas, Texas. So I'm super excited to share it with you this week. How's your Valentine, right? So thank you all so much for all my client. And right now, my topic is how about the market? What's really going on in the market in Collin County? So, and also homeownership, how important it is for your net worth. Okay, that's our topic for today. So if you have also a topic or question that you wanna ask, you can call me or message me. I love to discuss it with you. So right now in Collin County, the days on market based on January is 56 days in the market. So a little bit slower, longer days in the market, but based on the data, this 2024 is really the slowest market, and meaning since 1995 compared to the market trend. I'll share it to you later on my page. 1995 and 2024 is the same amount of house sold, right? So it's very slow, steady, but still the price is keep going up, right? So that is the market trend. I'll give you more information so you can see really the data for this specific topic. So homeownership, how important it is for your net worth. So what really important for you, right? So it is not easy to decide whether you buy a house or rent, right? But for most people, financial advantages for homeownership outweigh the disadvantage. So what's really the advantage of homeownership? So when you make a monthly mortgage payment, you're building the equity in your home, meaning the property will increase the price. When you rent, you investing your financial future, right? You're not investing your financial future. The same way you are when you're paying off mortgage. So when you pay your all mortgage, like already paid off, so your what do you call that one? Tumataas yung iyong net worth, right? Net worth, tumataas siya. So let's compare the homeownership net worth versus the renting. For homeownership, the average net worth is how much? Times 40 greater net worth. So compared to the renter, because when you're paying a rent, meaning you're throwing away, you're giving away to the landlord. So you don't have really asset, right? So let's compare it to the net worth comparison. If you have the asset, if you have the other assets like cars, what are the other assets? Bank account. If you're renting, so maybe your net worth is how much money your liquid is, right? That's the only one other asset. If you paid up your car, so maybe how much? Probably 50,000. That's your net worth. Compared to the net worth of the homeownership, how much really the price of your house, and that is your net worth. So let's see this diagram right now. So you can see, oh wait, my camera is off. So you can see what I'm talking. So see, that's your net worth, okay? So it's like 255. So it really makes it different, right? And if you are talking about, if you're considering to buying versus renting just to increase your net worth, my suggestion is always you can buy a house because it's a long, steady investing. The price of the house keep increasing. Of course, if you need assistance of buying your home, you can call me at 214-690-1233 and love to guide you. And also, this is one question. Why you need the buyer's agent? Okay? So this questions is really, this is one of the questions that I received. Ate, bakit kailangan ko pa ng agent, right? So why you need to really, when you buy a house, why you need a buyer agent? So this is the answer. So number one, I give you 5. Okay. So why you need a buyer's agent? Because objective insights, number one. So you can really, I want to make this one bigger so you can see it. Provide the objective information in the local expertise. So when you have the agent, they will give you really the based on the local expertise. That's why if you want to buy a house, make sure that you work with the agent that is local in the area. That makes really difference what's going on, right? And the second one is expand search power. If you don't have the agent, you're only looking for Zillow, Redfin, whatever that available for you in the market. If you have the agent, you can access to the comprehensive property listing, which is what's new in the listing. Sometimes we have a packet listing, means we did not put in the market, or sometimes we have the off market. We can also have all those. And then the next one, why you need the agent, is the negotiation support. Negotiation in your behalf. So it's super hard to negotiate if you don't know how to negotiate, right? So in behalf of the agent, that's the one who will work for you. And then the next one is up-to-date expertise, meaning what's the latest in the market, what's going on in the market, and also for the form and everything, or what's really updated in the market. So it really makes different for the expertise. Like right now, for what's the really up-to-date expertise, how many example, if I have the house listed in the market and it's like 30 days before, we'll be super anxious already if your house is still 30 days in the market, but right now it's longer in the market. So that is really the new, but of course it depends on your price point, also in the location. Okay, so the next one is, for me, the hard one. If I'm working with the buyers, especially the first time home buyer, which is I really love to work with them, because it's emotional support. It's super hard to really provide, the support on the process, because sometimes it's, what do you call that one? It's very anxious for the process, like step by step, is overwhelming. But make sure, that's why you have the agent who really guide you, that make you, hey, step by step, it will be fine. We will do this. We'll submit all the documents and all the good stuff. And someone's also on your side, believe that you can make it, right? And this is my personal experience. Sometimes they ask with their uncle or auntie that they bought a house like 7 years ago. And then they will give them a lot of advice, right? A lot of advice that they only bought one time, and then they will not believe to your agent. So we're doing this one every day, in and out. So for me, that is make it easier for us. The emotional support, the advice, the negotiation, the search, and also the insights of the local area. That's very important if you have the agent working with you. And of course, if you have questions regarding on that topic, you can call me or message me, right? About if you are looking to buy a house in North Dallas area. What I say north, because it, as I told you before, in real estate is really local, right? Very local. So that is my share for today. Hope you guys learn from this, and of course you can share it to your friends, colleague, relatives that can help, can understand, and can learn on this process when you are thinking to buy a house, when you're thinking to sell a house, and when you're thinking on investing in real estate. So that's all my topic for today. Hope you guys have an amazing day. Have a great one.